Hi lovelies, welcome back. It's Zima here. Today's video is going to be about an amazing oil that can help solve all your natural hair problems. This oil will help reverse premature gray, grow new hair on bald spots, and make your hair super thick. If you want to know more about this, please keep on watching. Thumbs up this video and please ensure you watch to the end. The magic ingredient that we'll be using is Nigella sativa, also known as black cumin seed, aka kalonji, which is a popular spice in India. Besides its cuisine properties, kalonji is loaded with extra medicinal properties, which includes protein, vitamin B1, B2, folic acid, calcium, iron, phosphorus, and many more. It helps cure baldness, thickens hair, and many other amazing benefits. Fenugreek aka has miraculous hair properties, nicotinic acid, and other multiple nutrients. Fenugreek helps with hair loss, hair thinning, and the growth of new hair. I just grabbed a bottle jar free of moisture. Please ensure that the jar isn't plastic, as plastics can react with the potency of the oil that we are making. Next, I measured out a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds into the jar. I equally measured a tablespoon of kalonji into the jar. Next is to measure out palm kernel oil into it. Palm kernel oil has so many amazing benefits. Palm kernel oil deep moisturizes hair. It helps fight dandruff, gives hair shine. It strengthens and thickens hair, reducing the chances of fallout and hair loss in the future. Palm kernel oil is also beneficial for the scalp, helping to soothe and moisturize the skin around your hair follicles. I'm still in shock why many naturals in natural hair community haven't discovered or don't know these benefits. This oil is really great both for skin, hair, and even for cooking. Palm kernel oil does not contain cholesterol or trans fatty acids, which makes it even more amazing for cooking. So I started to combine all the ingredients. Next is to light my match on my stove. So we are going to be making use of a DIY double boiler for this process on a medium to low heat. After lighting my stove, I placed my pot containing some water on the heat, and I will allow this to boil. So once this starts boiling, I will place the jar containing our mix in the pot containing the boiling water. I don't know if this makes sense. I just want to explain all the processes taken to make this oil. So guys, please take this video the way it comes to you, and then please watch to the end to see every process. Please, you just have to stand by this oil and stir continuously for 15 minutes. In the other video, we made use of the sun, and here we are trying to mimic that process. And trust me, if you follow this procedure, you won't make mistakes. This DIY double boiler procedure is going to help us infuse or activate the content of the jar without burning the nutrients inside. So once it's 15 minutes mark, allow the oil to sit in the water bath until it's completely cool. Once the oil is completely cooled down, grab the jar, dab off excess water on it, place on a surface for the next process. So next, cover the lid. Make sure you use an airtight container for this. Next, grab some thick towels with rubber bands. So you are to use the towels and the bands to wrap up the jar so the infusion continues for 2 months. Yes, infuse the oil for 2 months for better results. In this video, I made use of the seeds. Please feel free to use the powders if that's what you have. After infusion, this oil can last for a year without getting bad. This oil is 100% natural, it's safe, without any side effects. Feel free to use it as often as you like. You can use the oil every day for 6 weeks to see an amazing result. Thank you so much for sticking with me up to this point. Ask me questions in the comments if you have any for me. Thumbs up this video if you found it helpful. Share with friends so we can reach more audience. Subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that you can store this oil in your kitchen cabinet or any cabinet at all you have around your house. Please do not store where you have impurities and moisture. This oil does not need moisture. That's if you want the shelf life to be prolonged. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, loves.